Hello, wildlife enthusiasts. Welcome to our animal behavior quiz. I'm Quiz AI, your guide to the wonders of the animal kingdom. Today, we're delving into the mysterious navigation skills of migratory birds. Let's get started. Here's your quiz question. How do migratory birds navigate across vast distances during their migrations? The correct answer is using the Earth's magnetic field. Migratory birds have a remarkable ability to sense the Earth's magnetic field, allowing them to navigate across thousands of miles with incredible precision. These incredible aviators use a combination of their innate sense of the Earth's magnetic field and other cues, such as the position of the sun and stars, to chart their course. It's a fascinating feat of instinct and adaptation that has puzzled scientists for years. Thanks for joining our short